Welcome to our newest listing at 2825 Middlesboro Court in beautiful Fort Collins, Colorado. My name is Roger Kelley.
And I'm Susan Kelley, and we're the Kelley Team with Newhouse Real Estate. We're so excited to have you with us today as we move Colorado. Let us show you around.
This fully renovated ranch-style 4-bedroom, 3-bath home seamlessly blends modern conveniences with classic charm. The living room features custom cabinetry, a fireplace, and even a Samsung framed television that allows you to display high-definition art when not watching TV, all included with the sale. The large kitchen boasts an eat-in dining area, stainless steel appliances, and a glass tile backsplash. The custom-made Tharp cabinets, known for their quality, provide endless storage, and the contrasting quartz countertops and custom lighting make this kitchen truly exceptional. One of our favorite rooms in this house is the sunroom, which provides a panoramic view of the backyard and is a beautiful space to relax in. The room has an abundance of natural light, shiplap siding on the walls and ceiling. It even has a collar-activated automated dog door, making it easy for your pets to let themselves in and out of the backyard dog run. The contemporary decor adds to the home's sleek and stylish atmosphere. The oversized 2-car garage has a professionally installed epoxy floor and another mini-split heating and air conditioning unit to make the garage comfortable in both summer and winter. The full basement features a 4th bedroom, a 3-quarter bath, laundry, as well as a theater room for geeking out with all your friends. With smart home technology throughout, you'll enjoy easy control over your home's lighting, temperature, and entertainment systems from your smartphone, tablet, or smart speaker. The primary bedroom features a sliding glass door leading to the beautifully landscaped backyard. Here you'll find an inviting hot tub with an electronically controlled Covana power cover, making year-round access to the hot tub a reality. The backyard also features a captivating water feature and an island-like area with aspen trees. Imagine hosting summer barbecues with friends or simply relaxing with a good book next to the water feature on the large back patio. Don't miss out on the opportunity to experience the charm and elegance of 2825 Middlesboro Court, Fort Collins, Colorado. Call us today for a private showing and experience for yourself all this home has to offer.
We're sure you'll agree this is the perfect place to create lasting memories. We hope to see you soon.